Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this video I would like to show you how to send and multiple email at a same time with attachment in ASP.NET and C Sharp. So in this video I will just basically demonstrate you how to send email by using for each loop to send multiple email at a one time at a particular one time with attachment. So first I have created a database related to that. So I have created a database with the name email, and I have created a table called email list where I have stored their IDs and email ID, and just simply inserted three data in the table. You can see ID and email 1 2 3 and the email IDs. After that I have created a model inside my model folder, which is public int id and public string email. IDs and strings are my data type. IDs and emails are int and strings are data types, and ID and emails are my data holder which holds the data. Then I have simply created and my SQL DB logic where all my connection string related to the database are stored here, whether to access and data table or data reader, whatever, or to simply execute the query. I have written all my logic here, and I have created a business logic where I have called the list of the data from the database. As you can see, I have used my model which contain the two data holders, that is ID and my email. Here you can see these are all my data holders. I have called from my model. Then I simply use a list to call the list of the data which is stored in my database. Just simply I've called that all with the help of my SQLDB connection. But to call the data table, just simply click on it and go to the definition. So this is my one logic for all. After that, I just show you an example related to that. I have already created, but I will show you how to do this. So just simply add a new item, simply add a web form. So that I have added a web form. Then I just simply copy my older web form without wasting my all the time in giving the briefing. Just I simply copied my body. Now go to your design. So this is my email ID, subject, all are the labels I have used here. This is my text box 1, text box 2, this is the text box 3 with the property, multi-line, and file upload with an attachment and a submit button and the label to display the message. Now I will just simply click on my submit button and start writing my logic related to that. So first I will here write where email id where email id is equal to new. I will call my business logic business logic, open the curly bracket, go here. You can see it is asking for using web application model. Just simply add that. After that, just simply click a dot I want to call the list of the data which is stored in my database, that is get detail, open the bracket, close it, semicolon. Now just click on it and go to your definition. So I want to call my list of the data which is stored in this query, that is select star from email list with order by ID. All the data which are stored here will be called with the help of your list. So after that we will use an for each loop for sending the multiple email, the data which I will getting from get email detail, the email ID of a particular individual, which are this which is stored in my database. Just simply call for each, open the bracket, inside that write where items in what in my email ID, open the curly brackets. Inside that, now from here we will write our email sending logic. So just write here using, open the bracket, write here mail message. It require using system.net.mail is equal to new mail message, open the curly brackets. Here text box 1 will be my email ID, whatever I will enter there, dot to string. From this text box email ID, and here I will write the item, the list of the item, each and every mail which are holding in my data holder, that is email dot to string. Just simply open the curly bracket and simply write inside that, that is dot subject is equal to this. I am taking the data from text box 2 dot text dot to string, semicolon, dot body is equal to text box 3 dot to string, semicolon. Now here I will use my file upload concept. So for I will write for file upload. Sorry, file upload 1. First I will check whether it consists something or not. So that if file upload has file, then open the curly bracket, inside that write string file name is equal to path. For path we require using system.io, get file name, open the curly bracket, close it, inside that write file upload 1 dot posted file dot file name. After that, write file upload 1 dot save as, open the bracket, close it. Inside that write here server dot map path, open the bracket, inside that write file slash plus file name dot attachment dot add new attachment, open the curly bracket, semicolon, close, and just simply write here server dot map path. I have already created a folder here with the name file, that whatever the file will upload will be stored here, and then it will call to an attachment. After that, I will write dot body encoding is equal to encoding. It requires using system.text dot u t f8 semicolon mm dot is body html is equal to true semicolon. Then write using, open the bracket, close it, inside that write smtp client. smtp is equal to new smtp client, open the curly bracket, open the curve bracket, open now curly bracket, inside that just simply write smtp dot host is equal to single inverted, inside semicolon, inside that write smtp dot gmail dot com, smtp dot enable ssl is equal to true semicolon. Network credential network credential using system.net, just simply add that and write here network cad is equal to new network credential, open the bracket, close it, just simply write your Gmail, your Gmail ID and your password whatever ABC smtp dot smtp dot user default credential is equal to true semicolon, then write your smtp dot credential is equal to network cred semicolon, then your smtp port, that is write your smtp dot port is equal to 587 semicolon, then smtp dot send, open the curly bracket, close, open the bracket, close, and just simply write after the for loop, just to display the message in my label file dot text is equal to inverted comma semicolon, write mail send. So this is my logic which I am using for it. I've already created one. So let us check that. Just simply run that web form one. First I will write an email, then a subject will be office meeting related related to new project, that will be my body text. Just simply I will choose a file for that meeting, just an project detail file, and just simply click on the submit button. Now I have just simply continue, just click on the continue. I have placed a breakpoint for that, so that's why it's going for the 3 loop. That means I have the 3 data which I have stored in my database. So the 3 loop which I have used here in my for loop, here you can see for each loop. So there are 3 data stored in that, so 3 times that loop has been gone for it, and whatever the email which stored in my database are display here, and the email has been sent. Let us check whether it is working. So this was the first email. So yes, I have received an email from Sherutaki01 with the file and the subject of that email and related the text that is related to my new project and the file which I have uploaded. Let us check to my another email. Let's just check whether I've received an email or not. Mhm. Yeah, I have even received here the same mail from Cherutakke, my subject, the text which I want to print with the file which I have uploaded. The third email, I will show you. That was in Virutakke. So yeah, I have also received a mail to this email ID which I have stored in my database with the subject and the attachment of the file. So in this way, you can send email to multiple email ID by using your for loop concept and n number of you can send even the attachment to that. So hope you really like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe me because your subscription motivates me.